scissors to see who goes first to open the Easter egg. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Dang it! Okay, which color am I going to choose? I'm going to choose yellow. Oh God! Oh! I wonder which one has more. They both, I think they both have this one. A raindrop! Oh! They both got eggs! Here comes the decorations. It's chalk! Mine comes with more. There's so many colors. Look what mine comes with. Okay, now let's open these. Look at the colors, guys. Yeah. Now I'll open mine. Still on it. The bottom of his glasses went somewhere. This was my first one. It was a failure. Okay, guys, this is mine. This is our second one. This is my second one. And it comes with a chain too. Okay, now yours comes with the chain. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be doing this one. And this is what I'm gonna make. So I'm gonna make. Okay, you go first. No, you. No, you. Okay, you go first. Mine is the double masterpiece. Let me see. Oh gosh! Look at it. Look at mine. It's the best. Wait, mine's his head is too big. Look at the back. Chomp, chomp, chomp. It's open. It's feathers. Oh, look at it. Oh, they tickle. Hey, do they tickle? No. Guys, look. We got blue. I can fly. How mine looks. Where was it? Tried making this, but the grass when you want to stick on. For the thing you guys all been waiting for, my masterpiece. Wow!
A few moments later.
All right, this is how mine look. I think I did pretty good on it. It's supposed to look like this. And this one. That was what I was trying to do. We have this one. It was a bunny rabbit. Then we got this one. It's a chick. Then we have this one. It's a older rabbit. And then we have this one. A sheep. And I mean, how's yours? So. Oh, I forgot one. This one. Whoops. Oh, your turn, Amy.
This is mine.
Awesome.
And this is my rabbit. 2 rabbits. And my other rabbit.
Instagram.